Good evening, teacher, and good evening, everyone. I'm Mansuchit, MBA student, majoring in Information Technology from College of Science and Technology in the University of Cambodia. Today, I will present compare the civil law and criminal law of Cambodia and give a course studying constituting criminal responsibility and civil responsibility. Article 1 of Criminal Code in Cambodia. Criminal law is a provision that establishes a list of offenses, a list of prohibitions, a list of penalties, and a list of principles for determining punishment and apply punishment. And in the offenses of the penal code are divided into three parts. The first, offense crime, second, misdemeanor, third, police offense. For example, rape must be jailed for 5 to 10 years. This is a offense crime. And then the misdemeanor burglary often must be jailed for 6 months to 3 years. Moreover, petty offense divided to counts. Count 1 must be jailed for 6 days or less, and count 2 must be spent money. And modern example of criminal law offense includes burglaries, murder, and rape. And then go to case studies containing criminal responsibility. For example, Nari is a female widow who has a child named Nita, who is 18 years old. After a year, Nari married with new husband Narati, and they began living together. 2 months later, Rati took Nita to the farm, but when Rati was only 2 weeks Nita, Rati also raped Nita, and Rati returned to rebels to identify as anyone who will kill her. A few days later, Nari saw Nita has a strange symptom and asked what happened to Nita. And Nita told that stories to Nari. Nari also complained to the police about Rati raping Nita. In this case, in offense crime, Rati must be pay money to Nita and jailed for 5 to 10 years. Moreover, Article 1 of Civil Code in Cambodia. Civil law is a general principle of private law. This code hereby sets from general principle governing civil law relationship. The provision of this code shall govern matters relating to property and family relationship. Civil rule governing the relationship between individual and individual, and protection of private benefit and solving the problem individual except other fees provides talk special law. Next, go to talk about case study containing civil responsibility. For example, Sokha and Nita drive car go to their vacation in Siem. When they were driving on the road, Sokha, this car collides with a motorbike, which was driven by a person named Nara. There were minor injuries, some damage to to the motorcycle. But Sokas did not intend to Nara, and they also negotiate to compensate the victim. This is a civil law case involving a problem between two individuals. As a result, Soka must repay Miss Nara in cash back on the actual damage.